Hey, welcome back to the Blue Collar Bartender. I'm Chris. Today, we're got Paloma. As it turns out, the margarita is not Mexico's most beloved cocktail. It's the Paloma. Now, Paloma is a very fun and easy cocktail to make. Let's get right into it. First step is to rim a Collins glass with Tajín. We're gonna take a lime wedge and we're gonna rub the top so the Tajín sticks. Now, Tajín is an authentic Mexican spice made with chili powder, chili peppers, salt, lime. We're gonna coat the outside of the glass. Adds a little kick to the drink. Just like that. Now we're gonna put this glass to the side, grab a shaker tin, and add your spirits. For spirit, we're using a tequila. We're using Dulce Vita. We're using 2 ounces of that into the tin. Next step is to add a fresh lime juice. We're adding a ½ ounce of fresh lime juice. Now we're gonna add ice. Shaker pint, we're gonna shake the cocktail. Now with that Collins glass, we have the Tajín on it. We're gonna add ice to it. Next, we're gonna take a Hawthorne strainer, strain it over the ice. Perfect. Now we're gonna add Grapefruit Soda. We're using Jarritos. I'm sure I'm saying it wrong. You could also use Squirt or Fresca, but this is from Mexico. This is authentic. They use real cane sugar, the best in the market. Now for a garnish. We're gonna garnish it with a lime wedge. Just like that. There you have it, the Paloma. Let's give it a shot. Salud. Great refreshing cocktail. I don't even taste the tequila. All I taste is grapefruit soda. Very scary, be careful. Well folks, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like it. Please follow our channel, and you can follow us on Instagram at the Blue Collar Bartender. Tell your friends. Thanks. Goodbye.